Hi there, I'm John from CNCROI.com, and today we're going to make glow-in-the-dark cats. CNCROI.com actually has an extensive shapes library. We make a lot of custom cutouts like this for customers who like arts and crafts and other kind of things. In this case here, I decided to play around with some paint from my other business, tlightbox.com. And we started playing around with glow in the dark, and I thought, you know what, let's make some cats that glow in the dark, but we'll use a control. So this one here is our control. When the lights go out, this one here you will not see at all, while this one here will just glow green. The first step for this process, of course, is laser cutting them out. With CNCROI.com, generally our customers give us the specs that they want us to make something. So, you know, if some customers never ask us about yellow paint, we never actually explore yellow paint, for instance. With tlightbox.com, it's a bit different, showing ideas of what paints can do. Here's an idea here for a huge tea light box. This one here was made to look like steel. And the advantage of this one over using steel is it's a fraction of the price, a fraction of the weight, and production time is a lot faster as well. And here's the glow-in-the-dark cat. It's not moving by itself, I'm actually holding it. And here's the control that I have to bring up to the glow in the dark so you can get some light on it. So even a bright yellow, you don't see it at all as soon as it gets away from the glow in the dark cat. What's really nice about this application is the incredible visibility, and it's actually quite bright. Put my hand over it, you can see. So now if you want something that glows in the dark, CNCKing.com can actually make it. This can be literally anything. Think of it as a live edge wood plaque that when you turn the lights out, you actually still see the silhouette of the image. And that's something I plan on making here in the shop to give you an example of what we can do. I would also see applications like this for safety reasons. Like in our shop here, what I'll do is I'll put them over the doors. If the lights ever go out, I can just look around and right away know where that door is. So there's a lot of safety and there's a lot of just fun applications for it as well. If you want something custom, contact me at cncrioi.com.